Hello everyone! In today's video, we will learn how to remove the background from a video using a Capcut PC without a green screen. So let's get into it. First, let's open Capcut PC and create a new project. Here we are in the Capcut video editor. Once the Capcut video editor opens, import a video from your computer device to remove the background. Select the video file and open it. After the selected file is imported into the media section, drag and drop the video file into the timeline. You can trim the video to your preferred length using the timeline tools. Next, click the video you want to remove the background from. Locate the Video tab on the right side and click Cutout to reveal background removal options. While Chroma Key is available, it's not needed for now. Focus on the second option, Auto Cutout. Click Auto Cutout, and over the Video tab, you can see Capcut analyzes the scene and tries to erase the background automatically. Be patient. It takes a few seconds. You can see that the background is magically removed from the video. Once the background is removed, you can use any image or video you like as your new background. You can explore the Media section library to choose solid colors, textures, landscapes, or even another video. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.